My topic today is the top 3 reasons why you should visit your client when in a facility. Hello everyone, this is Coach Michele coming to you from Douglasville. What's up, what's up, what's up? Those of you that are chiming in for the first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Those of you that are returning, you already know how I feel about you. Thank you, thank you, thank you guys. So I literally have tons of questions that you all have posted on YouTube and or on Facebook. And if you're not following me on Facebook, go check me out at I am Coach Michele. And you know Michele has one L. Guys, these are a bunch of amazing questions. So I am literally going to answer them for you. So make sure you jot your question down below and I may select it for my next video. The question is, I have a client that I submitted to a nursing home. I don't know about that, but I'm just reading the way it is. We don't necessarily submit clients to a nursing home, okay? So should I visit him and build a relationship with the nursing home? It just makes sense. It's your client. You're building a relationship. This is someone that you're taking care of and has trusted you and your caregivers to come into his or her home to provide care. So absolutely, if one of your clients are admitted in a facility, you should go visit them, hands down. Number 2, baby, you want to leverage, yes, keyword, hashtag leverage. You want to leverage the opportunity. This gives you access to everyone in the facility as far as staff. You want to meet people, greet people, build relationships, rapport, say hello, meet a stranger. Find out where the social workers are. Find out where the case managers are. Depending on where you are, type of facility, director of nursing, activity director, whomever, you want to meet the janitor, okay? Because the janitor knows everybody. So you want to meet a staff member, multiple, if you ain't scared, you want to meet multiple individuals that will allow you to build a relationship and do what? Come here. Do what? Return, potentially get a lunch and learn, get some referrals. So absolutely, that's number 2. Number 3, park your company vehicle. Now, you may say, Coach, I'm just getting started. I don't have a company vehicle. But guess what? You have a vehicle. If not, borrow someone's and put a magnetic sign on the side, on the car door. Passenger door, driver door, and park that vehicle right in front of the entrance. Now, I ain't saying the handicap. You're gonna park right next to the handicap front so everyone has to pass you, and that is marketing 101, okay? You wanna leverage and seize the opportunity whenever possible. So I'm gonna recap real quick. 1, absolutely, go see your client. 2, leverage. Build relationships with everyone within the facility that you come across. And it's okay to get lost. It's okay to get lost. If he's on the 3rd floor, you end up on the 4th floor. It's okay. Leverage. Number 3, park your vehicle. Wear your uniform. Matter of fact, side note, I have a VIP client that has expanded and has a wonderful, several amazing scrub sets. So if you need some scrubs, need some uniforms, need to look fly, needs, to have your company name embroidered, make sure you comment below, hashtag scrubs, and I'll hook you up with her, okay? So guys, you want to leverage every single opportunity. And then let me throw in a bonus here. When you're in that room, you're gonna meet family that you've never met before. You're gonna meet friends that you've never met before. Hey, you may even meet the pastor of the church, okay? So that's 4 reasons why you need to do this. So guys, if you have not gotten your ticket to conference, you need to get your ticket to the Home Care Empowerment Conference 2024. It's gonna blow your mind. Every year it gets better and better and better. We have some amazing workshops and things scheduled, so you don't wanna miss it. Go to myhomecarecoach.com to get your ticket and also learn more about our services if you need us or want us, and or if you're a part of our assignment to help you start and grow your business. And lastly, if you are brand new and you really trying to figure this thing out, you need to sign up for the Prelude. The Prelude, go to myhomecarecoach.com, homepage, scroll down to the bottom, get in it. It's a 5-day series. It's absolutely free. It is changing people's minds and lives because they had no idea. They're all over the place. They're all over the place trying to figure this thing out. So Coach Rob and I put together this 5-day series. You will have access to it for 7 days. We have a little break in between where I talk to you guys directly, answer your questions to make sure you're set up for success. And it's not a prerequisite to using my services. However, if you want and feel like we're a good fit and we feel like it's a good fit, then of course you can get into the program and may have a little bonus in there for you. So y'all take care. God bless. Make sure you do what? Like the video, okay? Subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so you can know when I drop some nuggets. Take care, guys. God bless. Mwah!